Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be ranking in every today we're going to be ranking every country's EAS alarm by watch data and but okay. Wait, what is it actually going so fast? Go back to the it sounds like there's like a bunch of wind and stuff like that. You get it? Israel eat my poopy ass pants. Oh, and they want them, and they want their people to die. Oh, classic. Wait, kind of Brazilian funk. Oh my flipping gosh. China sounds like somebody's dying and another person's making a beat out of it. Like, actually, what is this? Oh, not back to 4. Japan sounds like you're playing block. Japan sounds like you're playing Block Blast. By the way, I'm super playing Block. I'm just not gonna. Meow, 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 meow. Wait, you know that cat funk? Meow, moo, 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 meow, moo, moo, moo. That sounds like you getting a call, but somebody but he cannot. But oh my god, it sounds like you're getting a call, but the other person has no internet. Oh, Canada's overwhelming. My one of the a person in my family lives in Canada. I hope nothing happens, cause this is overwhelming for me. What about a day? Yeah, great grandpa. Yeah. Again, sounds like Belgica wind. How the hell is this 27? It calmed me down. What? Holy frick! The second I heard that, literally my ribs, I felt like they went in and back out. Out and back in. Bro, it sounds also like another classic.
Today I'll be starting over. Today I'll be starting over as a.
How How is this fear level 34 when I'm literally hearing FNAF twinkles? Holy frick. And look at the end of the notification. Together let's make the online space safe for everyone. Yay! Hooray! Let's make safe spots that ruin them tonight. Why the hell when I heard that I felt like my phone was like shaking. But how is this 36? It is literally not that. That's disappointing. No Brazilian funk. Okay, I'm just kidding. But what? Like, what the heck is this? Look. It sounds like the wind, but not quite. But it's pretty good. I want to have the EAS alarm like Sheila. Netherlands. Sweden. Norway. That sounds, that sounds like what you think a black hole would sound like, but black holes are way creepier sounding. Gaza. It sounds like the emergency alarms in the games, in the games or the cartoons and stuff. Get it? What the heck is wrong? Why is it Latvia spamming the N-word? Yeah. Who the hell would do that? It sounds, like those streamers who put the mic in their mouth and it's like. It sounds like somebody shoved it up their throat out and started violently gooning. Brr. Like, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It sounds like you were calling somebody, but they had no internet, and the and it ended. The call ended. It sounds like you want to do the boo beep boo beep, but you're just doing it longly, like. You get it?
Vigtig meddelelse. Nødvarsel. Vigtig meddelelse.
Bro, silent tests use a network outdoor silence. I don't get what that means. Does it mean network siren? Oh no, silence for network.
Nødvarsel. Vigtig.
sounds calm, like you're about to land and you were on an airplane. Yeah, that's very useful. Wait, ignore the siren. Here's a background sound. Teet, 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 teet. Like, no, we go back. Yeah. North Korea literally is one of the strongest countries. For some reason, they have the worst EAS alarm. Well, not the worst, but like, what the heck? Like, doot, doot, doot. It sounds like these little green thingies are popping out.
الرجاء الانتباه.
Oh my gosh. I might be cooked, guys. I don't live in Saudi Arabia. I think it's Saudi Arabi. I think it's that. But I live in Lebanon. Like, after this, I'm going to search what's Lebanon's EAS alarm. Chill, bro. It sounds like it's a classic sound, but the picture literally looks like an analog horror picture, but with letters. First loud test. That's what they would. That's the alarm. 88 fear level, and the freaking nuke is coming. Punch, 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 punch. Bro, yeah, it sounds like it wants to calm you down. In your brain, it wants to calm me down, but you're scared. Why? And that's fear level 9. Well, it sounds like one of your friends did like that thing, like there's a car, you go to the bathroom, bring a tissue, and start violently blowing into it. It sounds like a damn car. It's so loud too. If you ignore the background sound, look the Pakistan, I want to say something. My mom, born in Pakistan, and she's not so that is good. Fear level 97. Breaking news. Then Arabic words. I don't know how to speak Arabic. Wait, do you know that Minecraft mod like it reminds me of it.
Thank you for watching
Classic.
today's video.
Okay, get out of my face. I don't like that kind of sound. It annoys me. But I'm just going to search Lebanon. Yeah, yes. I am cooked. I am actually cooked. No. What was the no?
Edge of a universe humming a tune. For merely dreaming we were snow. Edge of a universe humming a tune. For merely dreaming we were snow.
What do you do if you like someone who doesn't like you back?
Kick them in the face.
If you put on the Steven bundle, you'll become a blocky character, and you'll also notice your clothing automatically becomes pixelated to fit the squares. Now search up Steven in accessories, and you'll find items that fit this bundle while keeping the same style. Then put on an animation pack that is similar to Minecraft movements, pair it with some unique emotes, to get a fully functional Minecraft avatar inside of Roblox. If you put on the Steven bundle, you'll become a
Let me show you how to move, let me show you how to get that bad. You ain't never coming last. Fuck your man, you know this gon' make a man. Break that back, then we make a film on cam. Shake that ass, baby, show them that you bad. Let me show you how to move, let me show you how to get.
Home let the birds out. Home let the birds out.
Homer let the birds out.
He opened up the door. He opened. Home let.
You don't actually understand the Big Bang Theory because what they teach in schools is wrong. I know this because I just got my degree in physics and what they taught us isn't actually what most physicists believe. When I started writing this video, I basically just wanted to explain what the Big Bang was and prove anyone who didn't believe it wrong. But it turns out I was wrong. Most physicists today no longer believe that the Big Bang was the beginning of the universe. Ultimately, I just want to answer the question that I think everyone has about the Big Bang Theory. What was it that actually banged? Was it a singularity? Nothing? What? So let's get to the bottom of this.
Today, I will be playing +1 Keyboard Escape, and I will be trying to bust some of the craziest. Today, I will be playing +1 Keyboard Escape, and I will be trying to bust some of the craziest myths. And apparently, there's actually a secret method to get admin commands. So we're gonna try that out, guys. We are so close to 300,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe, make sure to smash like, and comment down below what you had for breakfast today. Let's get started with this first one. Okay, so I found this one. It looks like it's in stage 13.
Next glitch is done on stage 13, and once again requires high speed.
Okay. I mean, high speed? No, quintillion, a billion, dadillion. Okay, so he starts out.
This next glitch is done on stage.
It flung him all the way up, and it looks like he got to a little secret area.
For this glitch, you need perfect timing and practice.
Okay. That won't be a problem. Okay. Easy. Okay. And I died. All right, go, go, go. Okay, why did that actually scare me, bro? What the heck? Okay. Get behind the tsunami. Okay. And I died. Try that. Okay. So I gotta get to stage 13.
Oh my gosh, I'm still recording.